All right, I just got these in the mail. It's a smart plug. Let's see what we got. Let's open this 𝑽𝒂𝒔𝒚. Oh, look at that. I got a whole bunch of them. Oh, wow. I get 4 of these. So apparently the way this works, you plug it in, connects to the internet, and then you have a little thingamabob on the side which powers it. And you can hook different appliances to it and have them come on based on your the times that you want to do it. Here's a little information on that. Yeah. And so I guess you connect this right directly to your phone, and then you can power these things. Turn your lights on whenever you want, turn them off whenever you want. So this makes your house like a smart house. Yeah, that's that. And let's see who these are made by. This is called Eighttree. And it's got some more info here. There's some stats on it. And I'm not sure if this works with Google or what. I think it would, or Alexa, it's supposed to. So we'll have to try it out and see what we think.